Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to search for remote jobs on Indeed in 2026. Yeah, if you want to work from home or anywhere in the world, this guide will help you find remote opportunities quickly. First, open the Indeed app or go to the Indeed website on your browser. Next, type the job you're looking for into the search bar. You can enter roles like customer support, data entry, or software developer. Now in the location field, type remote instead of a city. Yeah, this tells Indeed to show work from home jobs. After that, click the search button to view all available remote job listings. You can also use the remote filter option to make sure only work from home jobs appear. This helps you avoid on-site listings. Now scroll through the listings and open any job that matches your skills and interests. If you like a job, you can save it for later or click apply right away. This lets you keep track of the best remote opportunities, and that's how to search for remote jobs on Indeed in 2026. Hopefully this helps you find work from home opportunities faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.